Welcome everyone to HueFin, also we're known as HueFin News. Today is October the 23rd, 2020, and this video we are going to speak on Tesla, give you all the update on this particular market and give you an expectation as to where the trap is going to take this particular market for Tesla. Now, before I do, this is your first time watching our video, you guys see how simple our chart is. We're not here to confuse you. We're here to give you a forecast and a prediction as to what we're expecting the market to go before it actually gets there. You need to hit that like button and you need to subscribe to this channel and then share the video. You want to let everyone else know that there is actually someone who is predicting and forecasting price movement in the stock market. So make sure you do that before you go. So here we are checking out Tesla. October the 9th was the last time we did our video in Tesla, and you guys can see that we expected the market to go higher in price, and generally looking at the performance of what occurred, the market did exactly what we expected it to do. We expected the market in Tesla to go higher in price. Here we are on the daily time frame. October the 9th played some strength into the market in Tesla. We got that out ultimately on the 14th. This forecast came to fruition on October the 14th. We saw it on October the 9th, period. So 6.73% right there, taken out, reduced from the trap and given right back to us in the market. It's just that easy. So now let's take this away and let's see if there's anything different that we need to address into the market in terms of where the trap is going to take Tesla. So for the moment, the market in Tesla, generally, this is the area of which it has just been trading. Okay, don't let no one else tell you otherwise. We just been bouncing in between $460 all the way back down to around $415. That's it. Now, from our video, you guys can see that we created this ascending line into the market for Tesla. We've been tracking the market trade alongside this particular line. You know why? Because it's important. This area gives us a delineation of which the market can hold its movement higher, or we're going to break down and see the value of Tesla go lower. That's why this line is very important. And what has occurred around this particular line? What type of price action have we seen over the last 3 days in Tesla alongside this line? Because if anything, we'll need to see the trap show us indications of market strength alongside this line. We will have to in order to continually see the prospect of higher price. So the question to you is, are we seeing it? Are we still seeing strength in the market for Tesla? Let's show you. So here we are. We're looking at the market in Tesla on a 3-day time frame. So that means that every price bar that you see is 3 days worth of trading. Okay. So what has occurred on these 3-day price bars? That's the question. What have we seen? Have we seen strength into the market, or are we seeing weakness? That's the answer. That's the question that you need to address and figure out. From my perspective, we have not been seeing any strength those last 3-day price bars. It is not there. And then on top of that, you can tell that this market in Tesla is finding this area, I'll say around like $450, as an area of hurt, meaning that the market cannot break that price for that areas where sellers are appearing, or simply the trap doesn't want to break the price above it right now. That's it. So we are generating a couple ideas as to why we're noticing weakness in the market. First, the last 3-day price bars are not seeing any strength. Second, $450 is restriction. All right. So let's take a look at this particular market real quick on the 5-day chart for Tesla. Ask you again, are we seeing any strength into the market in Tesla? If you said no, you are correct. We're not. Weekly time frame. We're not seeing any strength into the market neither. Not right now. Now, that doesn't mean that we're not going to hold consolidational trading. The first thing that we eliminated so far based on what we have already in Tesla is that we're not seeing any strength at this moment. So we can eliminate that from our expectations. So the only two things that we can get is continuation of movement in consolidational trading or movement lower. That's it. Those are the only two options we have now, since we have determined that weakness is here. Now, if we see this market in Tesla consolidate, then that still leaves opportunity for the trap to increase the value at a later time, even though we're not seeing it right now. So as we complete this video and we see time go on and the market is not falling, then that lets us know that that trap is going to try again into increasing the value of this stock. There it is. Nothing confusing about it. So on this particular video, what we're going to do, we are going to play a short forecast. We're going to expect the trap to lower the value of Tesla stock. And we have given you reasons why. So let's do that. We're going to play that on the daily time frame. Like I told you, $450 is the area of restriction that we are seeing. I'm going to bring it up there to around 460 though. And we're going to play some weakness. Now, there's not generally a good area of support being identified here in Tesla on the daily time frame, but around $412 as well will TP the market in Tesla. That would literally be the area to where we can see the trap come in and hold market. Okay, so that's about 3.5% in Tesla, 412. Okay. Now let's bring it down a little bit lower just to compensate some of this weakness in this space. And we got 412 for our initial area of TP, because that's the first point to where we can see the trap come in and try to support the market in Tesla. But besides that, we can come all the way back down to around $400 easy in the long term. I would say 405. So this is it. And you guys can see, you know, our expectations, our forecast is literally, we're expecting the trap to break this ascending trend that we've been in that started all the way back in June of 2020. That's what we're forecasting. Now, if that actually occurs, then this trend is broken. And that gives you a bigger idea as to where the market is likely headed in Tesla for the long term. So let's just see what occurs. Now, this is our forecast. Like I told you, I'm gonna give you an opportunity for you to tell me what you see. What are you expecting the market trap to do in this particular market for Tesla? This is our forecast. This is our prediction of what we're looking to occur. What are you seeing? Do you see the same thing? Are you still seeing weakness? Are you seeing strength? Definitely tell us what you're expecting the trap to do over the next couple of weeks. I would say about a week and a half to 2 weeks. Where will the market be at? And you need to make sure you get there before he gets there, so you can profit in the market. It's that easy. Don't make it complicated. So I'm looking forward to looking at your comments. Tell me what you think. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, we'll talk again.